Hi. Okay.
So happy.
Eat your veggies, kids. Get some vegetables. You guys don't have to eat vegetables. You can have some candy. You want one for real?
Yeah.
No, you guys don't want any? No vegetables? Kids, get your vegetables.
Yeah.
Get some vegetables. We got lots of vegetables for you. You guys want vegetables?
No.
No? You want vegetable? Or do you want candy? No. Hey, here's your veggies. Can you get a what?
Carrot.
You bet. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hey, here's your veggies.
No.
What? Veggies. What's wrong with these kids?
Hey, William. Say Happy Halloween.
Halloween.
What are you for Halloween?
I'm a parent that takes kids trick-or-treating.
Guys, it's Halloween. We're so excited. William's gonna go to his school Halloween party. Don't shoot, SWAT man. I'm not a bad guy. We've got all of our candy waiting.
William, what are you dressed up for on Halloween?
A SWAT team guy.
A SWAT team guy. That's so awesome. Look how handsome he is. Let's show him your costume. Check him out. Oh, he's got a backpack on. Look out for this police SWAT dude.
He'll get ya.
Get him, William.
Show him your handcuffs. Say, I'll lock you up.
Lock you up. And now we'll sit down.
Okay, let's go to school, SWAT man.
Yeah.
Let's go see if we can catch us some bad guys.
Yes. Shoot out.
Look at that new haircut. That's the official CR7 haircut right there. What are we gonna do to enhance it a little bit?
Dye it black.
We're gonna spray paint it. Ronaldo. Christina, the SWAT team's here.
Oh, no.
What are you guys doing in my house? Who let you in?
Josh. They're coming to take you to the slammer.
Okay, give me a SWAT. Yeah. Ow, you're a mean swatter. You're a mean swatter.
Josh, who are you for Halloween?
Dyches fan, #1 fan.
Can I have a shout out?
Hey Dyches fam, can I have a shout out? I've been watching from day one. I know our #1 fans out there are way better looking than I am. McCoy, you're almost ready for Halloween. Where's the rest of your gear?
I just don't want to wear it right now. I don't want to get it ruined for Halloween.
Okay. What are you gonna be?
I'm going to be Catwoman.
Catwoman?
Yeah.
You like cats.
Yeah.
You're kind
Every
of a cat
year
lady.
I've basically been a cat or Catwoman. Only once I've been Evie, and then the rest cats in Rapunzel when I was 3 years old.
You're so awesome. Give me 5. We got Uncle Ben, my brother. He's setting up the front yard for some festivities. We're gonna put a fire pit out here and do some things right for this Halloween. Christina always makes her famous Halloween chili. Man, it's so bright. You guys are so bright. She makes her famous Halloween chili, so we're excited for that. We got some unsuspecting trick-or-treaters coming soon, and we're gonna be pranking them, so. Clothes on.
Healthy food for Halloween.
Yeah!
Eat your veggies. What, Keanu? Get over here and get some veggies.
No!
Oh, unicorns like vegetables, apparently.
Halloween 2017. Roswell, woof woof. Woof woof woof. Okay, fun crew. Oh, and Mom's all dressed up. Looking good, mad lady. Let's go. Let's go trick or treating. Hi, hi. Can you say trick or treat? Trick or treat. Casey K's in the house, dressed as himself. success. The kids got me my favorite candies, vanilla Tootsie Rolls. Good job, kids. Let's go. Roswell got his very first trick-or-treat candy. Let's get some candy. This is common. People just leaving their candy out.
Oh no, he loves suckers. He keeps picking the suckers. Yeah, guys, I put it in here.
Good job. That was the human.
Wait, that's a fake costume, right? William, is that a fake costume? Are you sure, William? See if he'll give you a 5. Oh man! Woo! William, show me your cotton candy. Okay, I'll hold it and eat it. Watch this. Casey hates this. Hi, Casey.
Don't get by me with that.
Casey.
I hate cotton candy.
Here.
It's disgusting.
Here.
It's so gross. And it sticks to your face. It gets everywhere.
That was awesome.
You want that?
Rosie, get a treat, buddy.
What do you say? Look, which one do you want? He just keeps, he's like, I don't know you. Do you want this little one? Say thank you. Oh. That was the wrong one, apparently.
Oh, whoops.
Yeah, look, look at candies. We thought about it.
Oh.
This one?
He's like, okay, thank you. Did you get a sucker, buddy? Lick it. Oh, not home. That's probably like really actually courteous to do that.
Not home.
Not home, so like you're not wasting time. Next house.
Rosie's scared.
Scary.
Oh,
Ooh, scary. Watch out, it's alive! Holy cow, it's cold out here, guys. The older 2 kids went trick-or-treating with our neighbor friend, and the other kids are headed back to the house with the parents, and I have a little prank in store. As a kid, I always hated getting apples and oranges, right? Like, you want to get candy on Halloween. So I came up with this idea of, let's fill a bowl full of vegetables and see how kids react to it. Okay, back at the casa. Got my brother Matt here.
Fun.
Got my sister-in-law Kenzie here. Got my nephew Nixon.
well, you're in luck. I've got some candy.
This is the bowl of vegetables I was talking about. Got my dad here. He's the fireman on patrol. Cub Scout. Got a fire brewing.
He's eating his vegetables.
Hey, you're eating vegetables? Good job, buddy. You're not gonna lose all your teeth.
Broccoli and carrots.
He likes vegetables.
Good boy.
My brother Troy showed up. Give me 5, bro. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween, Dyches fam.
My mom's here. What's up, Mom? Is that funny, Rosie?
It's annoying.
Is that funny, Nixon? Look at these. These 2 cute little boys are buddies already. Hi. Okay. You guys don't have to take one. I'm just kidding. It's a joke.
Oh, you're supposed to say eat your vegetables.
You can put those back here. I got candy for you, for real.
Hey, at least they were nice about it.
Here, go ahead. Have some candy. Happy Halloween. Nixon, you want some veggies? You want a veggies? Look at him smiling.
So happy.
Carrot. All these kids want vegetables for Halloween. What is wrong with you? Why? Come on, kids. I don't want these kids to actually take my veggies. Okay? I don't really want them.
Yeah, because you eat
And they're
vegetables.
touching them. And now I gotta eat touched veggies.
Josh hasn't had a vegetable since 1998.
That's true.
Eat your veggies, kids.
Happy Halloween! Eat your veggies, kids. You guys want vegetables or candy? You don't want vegetables? Okay. You'll take a carrot?
Yeah.
No. Wait, what are you?
I'm the album cover of Workin.
Oh, blurry face, right? Who else wants the vegetable?
I do.
You can have a carrot if you want one. There's some candy too. No vegetables? Oh man. Hi. Happy Halloween, little buddy.
Oh yeah, that's why it's called.
She said
Oh, he just threw a sucker. He wants to play ball. Go kick it. Good boy. Yes, that's my boy. William, do you want some vegetables? Eat some veggies. Kids, get some vegetables. Who wants to eat vegetables on Halloween? Who wants to eat? Actually, guess what? You guys don't have to eat vegetables. You can have some candy. You want one, for real?
Yeah.
You don't have to take a vegetable. It's just a joke.
Thank you.
What is with these kids?
What's wrong with these kids? Get your vegetables. No, you guys don't want any? No vegetables?
Hey, tell this guy to take a hike.
Ready? Kids, get your vegetables.
Yum.
We actually have candy too.
I want vegetables.
You want a vegetable, for real? Are you crazy?
Hey, we're not.
No, you don't have to eat it right now. I'm just kidding. We haven't even washed these vegetables. That's the real trick. Get some vegetables.
Okay. Can I really take one?
You don't have to.
Because I kind of
It's a
want a carrot
trick.
right
We
now.
have candy.
Wait, but can I take this carrot?
You
Because I
can,
kind of
yeah.
want it.
Like, all these kids are taking vegetables.
Christina's gonna be mad all her vegetables are gone.
I know. Got some vegetables for you. Do you really want a vegetable? Because if not, we got candy. We got lots of candy. Do you want a vegetable or candy? Candy? Happy Halloween.
There's some real kids right there.
Yeah, honesty is your best policy. We got lots of vegetables for you. Oh, I'm just kidding. I got candy too. That was a trick. It said trick or treat. You guys want vegetables?
No.
No, you don't want vegetables.
I won't.
No vegetables? You want vegetables? Or do you want candy? No. You can have candy, bud. Go ahead. It's a trick. You get it? Trick or treat? Hey, here's your veggies. Who wants to eat veggies? You can either have candy or veggies. Which one is it? Nobody wants veggies? You want candy?
What do you want?
But there's candy in here.
He wants
You want a
veggies.
carrot? Go ahead. You can have a carrot. You want candy too? Here's some candy. Candy and vegetables. You want a vegetable for us? You can have candy too, right? You can just throw the vegetable at him. Yeah, you can if you want. Can you get a what?
Carrot.
You bet, dude. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hey, here's your veggies.
No.
What? Veggies. Your mama doesn't want you to eat veggies. Smart kid. Uncle Fred came over to help hand out candy. See some kids get freaked out by this. You guys want to go up there? You gotta get it yourself though. Reach in there.
Dad, there's that guy who's Cody.
Good job, you lied. You kids are brave. Jeez, well you are superheroes, so that makes sense. We're still not sure if he's real or not. Go ahead, Mario.
He's only gonna bite your one finger. Stick your hand in there. See that? It's just a backyard bird.
Tate and Nikoi, come say hi to Uncle Fred. He just flew into town. Give him a hug, Koi. Give him a hug. Hi, Uncle Fred. He just wants to give you a hug. Oh, candy grab. Tate, give Uncle Fred a hug. Oh, you're not supposed to punch him. Rah! Did I scare you, Blake? Heck, give me your, let me see your candy bag.
I only have like 20 pounds.
Oh, hold on, I gotta take a picture of this. This dude has probably got the most candy this Halloween.
No, I got so much more.
Holy, look at that thing.
So much more. I had way more last.
You're like Santa Claus. Blake, holy. Okay, good times. Halloween! Halloween! This is what it's all about. Hi kids, happy Halloween! Hi! Oh, Raji! He's got his little lassie. Oh, don't do it right in his face, bud. You're okay. Oh, he doesn't like it. Clean it off.
My minion overall.
So every year, Christina makes her famous Halloween chili, and it's a hit. It's a hit every
For
year.
some reason, it must be too good because there's way too many people here eating it.
Yeah. No kidding. You need to put something bad in it next year. But here's some of the food that we're eating here. We got cheesecake, we got salsa, we got chips, we got rolls, we got soda, we got the best pumpkin chocolate chip cookies in the world. Here is my wife's famous chili. It seriously is so good. We've had a really good Halloween this year. The kids got tons of candy, and let's check that out right now. Tatum just got home from trick-or-treating with his buddies. Holy!
Come in here and dump it. Just dump it in the middle of the floor.
One of my friends weighed us and it was 12 pounds.
12 pounds?
Yeah, 12 pounds of candy.
Oh my gosh. Tatum, that is insane. William, show me your candy.
I got this much stuff.
Wow, but oh, he got that pixie stick.
Okay, I've got a deal. I'll trade you all my vegetables for all your candy.
No? What about you two over there? Vegetables? McCoy, dump yours out.
I only went half. Ladies, right? William only went half the time. I went a little more of the time, but Tatum went like, I don't know. I went 2 times. I went to 2 times more houses than her.
Wow, that's still a lot of candy, Coke. Oh, and you got milk duds? I like milk duds. Yeah, milk duds. Yeah, I love milk duds. Thank you, sweetie. Okay, Tatum, did you have a good Halloween?
Yeah.
Did you have a lot of fun tonight with your buddies?
Yeah, definitely.
That's awesome. Hey, I love your Cristiano Ronaldo costume. It's awesome. William, did you have fun today? Can you tell these guys Happy Halloween?
Happy Halloween. I'm trying to find my...
Roswell, look at Dada. Wave bye-bye. Okay, guys, thanks for hanging out with us today. Happy Halloween to all you guys. Please let us know in the comments below how your Halloween went and what you dressed up like.
Happy Halloween!
Peace out, Dyches fam! Woo!
We love you!
We love you!
That's awesome.
Oh,
There's next.
say peace out, Dyches fam!
So peace out!
Peace out!